Are you ready to make your business stand out with a stunning new LED sign? At LED Sign City, we guide you every step of the way to bring your vision to life. Here's how our 7-step turnkey process works. Step 1. Ordinance Verification. The first step is Ordinance Verification, and the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. We handle the research to ensure your sign complies with local zoning regulations, from size limits to placement rules. With this crucial step, we lay the groundwork for a smooth project. Step 2. Setting the budget. Next, we'll help you set a budget that aligns with your goals. LED signs are an investment, and the returns are definitely worth it. From small businesses to large corporations, we'll guide you in determining how your sign can pay for itself. Just like the ice cream parlor that recovered its investment in 1 year by adding just 9 sales per day. Step 3. Determining the size. Now it's time to determine the size of your LED sign. We review the local ordinances and your budget to recommend a size that maximizes impact while staying compliant. Whether you need a 20 square foot sign or a double-sided highway display, we've got you covered. Step 4. Customizing your sign. Here's where the fun begins. Customizing your sign. You can choose the design, structure, and even resolution that suits your needs. And don't worry, our resolution guarantee ensures that if the selected resolution does not meet your requirements, we will upgrade it. Step 5. Engineering and permitting. Once your design is finalized, our project manager takes the lead on engineering and permitting. We handle the paperwork, coordinate with city officials, and keep you updated every step of the way. Permits can take time, but we are committed to keeping your project on track. Step 6. Production. With permits approved, your sign moves into production. Over the next 4 to 6 weeks, we work to bring your vision to life. And while you wait, our designers will work with you to create engaging content so your sign is ready to shine on day 1. Step 7. Installation and support. Yes, the final step. We're almost there. Installation. Our team coordinates with professional installers to ensure your sign is securely in place and functioning perfectly. Once installed, we set up your software and provide ongoing support to help you manage and update your sign effortlessly. From start to finish, we're with you every step of the way. Are you ready to bring your vision to life? Start customizing your LED sign today and let us help you tell your story with brilliance and impact. Visit ledsigncity.com to get started.